if you sew, I gotta show you one of the coolest tools I found out about the other day. So the other day I had a sewing class for my daughter. I have some family members that are way more experienced in sewing. I would say I'm a mediocre sewer. So I don't know all the tools and the fun gadgets you need, but can I show you the coolest thing ever? So this right here is a little magnet that is so strong you can attach it to your sewing machine, and it is like a little guide. It came in a pack of 3, so you have multiple different colors, and let me show you some of the features with each of these. So as you can see right here really faintly, it has a line that's straight and it's really flush with the magnet itself. It has a little ruler right along here. There's a little opening here you can kind of see fabric through when you have it on. On this side, it has a lip, as you can see from right here, and I believe that helps with doing binding. And then it has a little loop right there as well for that corner, which honestly, I don't really know what the loop's for. Haven't tried it out for that yet. But I have loved this little flat side as a guide, and let me show you how I use it on my machine. And this magnet on this is pretty strong. Like, it takes some sufficient effort to get it to detach from there, but it is detachable, don't worry. So I really like it because you can line it up really well with your ruler on your sewing machine right there. And it's nice to have a little guide, especially if you're a beginning sewer. So it could just kind of help hold the fabric right along there as you sew. I have my fabric right here, and then you can see how it's flush with the fabric on that side. And that way you can just start sewing. So you can tell with this one, it has a little lip rather than being flush like the last side was. So you can have it help you kind of curve the fabric as you're sewing along right there. It will help hold that fabric in place. Been really impressed by this. You can see the ruler on that side. This really is just a nice addition accessory to use while I'm sewing. I really love that that side's really flush. I feel like, especially with bigger quilts and binding or thicker fabrics, it will really come in handy to help guide that all in a straight line. I really like too that it made it really user-friendly and beginner-friendly for my daughter to learn how to sew. Even just having just a little bit of guide can make all the difference. I am super excited about this. Who knew something like this existed? And I can't wait to use these more.